So this is a microwave, and believe it or not, this is one of the best ways to protect your home from burglars. Okay, maybe not this one. I'm not telling you to lob a microwave at an intruder, although to be honest, seeing an intruder get hit in the head with a microwave would be quite funny. But it's all about the technology that's inside it. That is a different story. Because this little device here that's mounted on the back of my house uses the exact same type of microwave energy fired out at 10.5 gigahertz, like a tiny little radar, to spot someone in, say, your garden before they ever reach your door to break in or to even cause any damage. Now, there's actually two things that are going on inside it, and one of them answers the question that I get asked the most about, more than anything else, which is, Simon, won't that thing go off every time a cat or a fox wanders past? It's a fair question, but the answer is absolutely brilliant. But hold that thought, because first of all, I want to show you it actually in action and give you a proper demonstration of it. So here's the special microwave in action. I'm going to arm it from the Guardfather app on my phone, press that button, it sets the whole system. And then when I get up and start to move towards the property, it's going to trigger the alarm, trigger the external sounder, trigger the internal siren, and also send through critical alerts to this app here and what would be any other app user. Right, let's go. Let's just disarm that from the app. So notice where it caught me. It didn't catch me once I was inside the house. It didn't catch me doing damage to any doors or windows. It caught me when I was still quite a fair distance away from the house itself. And if you actually have this set to a high sensitivity, it can go as far as 12 meters away from the property where it's going to pick someone up. And trust me, after 12 years as being a security engineer and pretty much seeing everything you could imagine to see within the security industry, whether it be at home or at someone's commercial property, as early warning as possible is absolutely essential. Now, before I answer that cat question that I promised you that people always want to know about, quick word on where this sensor actually fits. Because on its own, it is a brilliant piece of kit, this along with the control panel, but it's really built to be one piece of a full security system setup. It's part of the wireless DIY security system, the Guardfather, that you fit yourself by following the setup videos with no monthly subscriptions. The external sensor works alongside things like your door contacts, your internal sensors, your external siren, your control panel, smoke sensors, all things like that, all talking to the same app. So if you've ever fancied building proper security around your home without paying for an expensive installer or a subscription, the link is in the description. Right, that cat question. So here's the thing. Outdoor sensors have a bit of a reputation. Stick a cheap one outside and it'll happily set itself off at foxes, next door's cat, heavy rain, even car headlights sweeping across it at night. It's the #1 reason people tend to give up on outdoor detection. So how does this one not do that? Well, it uses two completely different technologies at the same time. There's a passive infrared that picks up body heat and movement, and there's a microwave radar that we talked about at the start of the video. And here's the clever bit. Both of them have to agree that there's a person there before it'll trigger. Something might fool one of them occasionally, but it won't fool both technologies at once. On top of that, it's pet immune, up to 35 kilograms. It's got white light resistance, so headlights don't set it off, and it's weather sealed to sit out through all types of weather. It's two technologies working together, so it only goes off when it actually matters. And like always, whether you go with this system or you've got something else entirely, if you need a hand with anything security related, just drop me a comment on, say, this video or any other one, or message me on Instagram. 12 years in the security industry, and I'm always happy to help. And as always, guys, thanks for watching.